10 years ago, no one would have imagined that we would be able to fit immense amounts of data on a chip the size of a child's fingernail. Not only have data storage devices reduced in size, but they have increased in capacity as well as reliability. Likewise, downhole permanent monitoring equipment has evolved from large, cumbersome devices to highly reliable systems with high confidence that they will perform as promised. The latest evolution in downhole permanent monitoring is the DataSphere Array system. This highly accurate quartz sensor is packaged in a small 5/8 OD and less than 8 inches in length. Not only is this small but powerful device highly accurate and reliable, but with such a low power draw, 50 sensors in a single TEC line is no problem at all. It is customizable so that you are not just getting a lot of data, but the right data. Collaboration with the customer to place sensors at the exact point of interest helps ensure you can monitor exactly the right locations. After all, what good is data if the sensors are placed in the wrong location in the wellbore? In addition to being able to place a large number of sensors on a single TEC line, another unique feature of the system is the spoolability. The sensors are welded into the TEC at manufacturing and shipped to the rig site ready to run. This saves hours of rig time and makes installation much simpler and safer. No need for rig floor pressure testing of sensors and connections. Manuals are not required. Use of centralizers or clamps to protect the sensor is all that is needed. The DataSphere Array is a multi-point pressure node system, and when run alongside fiber optic, gives a complete data package including a full temperature profile, acoustic monitoring, and pressure data. In addition, an OPSIS gauge can be placed in the same TEC line, providing all aspects of well monitoring. For years, it was believed that we needed to perforate to read reservoir pressure. Extensive research and testing has proven otherwise. Halliburton developed Lynx technology and, in conjunction with Shell, Dong Energy, Statoil, and the Norwegian Geotechnical Institute, verified the ability to measure pore pressure through cement without perforating. This means that sensors could be permanently placed right where they need to be without compromising the well integrity nor changing the well design. More recently, tested and trial wells have further validated this concept with the DataSphere Array. We can now receive multi-point continuous accurate data from behind the casing without perforating. Multi-point data real-time from the wellbore will allow operators to make informed decisions while operations are in process. Knowing what is going on in every zone, real-time, is key. The cement operates like a membrane, providing an instantaneous reservoir pressure response to the sensor. From installation through to cement curing, you can monitor your individual zonal pressures. Similar to the smartphone evolution, data accessibility and usability are key for our consumers. What good is more data if it is complicated to apply to the real world? In the oil and gas industry, a simple, user-friendly interface that enables real-time decisions is paramount. For example, speed and clarity are both fundamental when detecting frac hits and resolving the resulting damage. By installing array sensors in nearby wells to understand frac interference, operators can model fracture interaction across the field real-time. All of this information is available on one interface, accessible from anywhere, allowing you to view data at your convenience and to make real-time decisions based on good information that is easily accessible. The Halliburton Voice of the Oilfield visualization solution incorporates edge analytics to enable operators to perform comprehensive frac monitoring and optimize production strategies in real time to deliver immediate results. Additionally, with reliable pressure and temperature data, long-term understanding of drawdown effects can be predicted to optimize flow regimes. In short, combining comprehensive frac monitoring, enabling better rate estimation, and optimizing production rates can help decrease costs and increase ultimate recovery. Collaboration with our customers, flexibility in system design, spoolability for ease of installation, monitoring through cement, long-term production monitoring, and an easy-to-use interface is what sets apart the DataSphere Array and Voice of the Oilfield permanent monitoring solutions when it comes to true long-term life of the well monitoring.